In this video, we've chosen the best stainless steel flatware sets based on a combination of factors, ranging from price, quality, design, overall construction. Let's check some of them. Number 1. LIANYU 20-piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. When you want to dine like a king, LIANYU 20 pieces stainless steel silverware set has what you need. Made of high-quality 18/8, 304 grade stainless steel, this set assures you of durability and rust-resistant quality. The silverware set is suitable and contains everything you need to serve a nice meal for your friends or family for up to 5 people. Classic, simplistic design with a mirror-finished surface and smooth edges that suits any kitchen decor or place setting and is easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. Number 2. Brightown 45-piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. If you are looking for stainless steel silverware set that will enhance the look on your dining table, the Brightown 45-piece stainless steel silverware set will be an excellent addition. This set of flatware cutlery is perfect for the home, restaurant, dinner, and many other places. Used 18/0 stainless steel is durable and hearty, great for families. Ergonomic design and shape, heavy and large enough that they won't bend or break through regular usage but light enough that they are suitable for children. Number 3. Radley and Stowe 20-piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. You will fall in love with the contemporary design as well as the elegant styling of the Radley and Stowe 20-piece Stainless Steel Silverware Set. The set is ideal for use in restaurants, at home, at weddings, parties, and many other events. This silverware flatware set can endure regular use, regular cleaning, abrasion, heat, and much more, thanks to its high-quality stainless steel material construction. It also has a smooth, easy-to-clean finish and is not likely to rust, tarnish, or corrode. Number 4. HaWare 40-piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. Elevate your dining experience with family and friends with the HaWare 40-piece Stainless Steel Silverware Set. This silverware flatware set has a unique square edge ends handle with a simple modern design that complements most or any decor. It is ideal for the restaurant, home, dining sets, and several other locations. Moreover, it is an 18/0 stainless steel material that is durable and resistant to stain, fading, corrosion, and rust. Owing to its compact nature, it is also easy to move around with. Number 5. HaWare 40-piece Stainless Steel Flatware Set. Make the much-needed statement on your dining table with this exquisitely designed HaWare 40-piece stainless steel silverware set. This silverware set is the best quality 18/0 stainless steel material that is healthy and nickel-free. Designed with a bright and shiny look, it has a curved handle design that makes it more elegant and more comfortable to grip. Also, the smooth surface makes it easy to clean. What is more, this stainless steel silverware set is perfect for restaurants, weddings, homes, hotels, and parties. It serves a group of 12 people.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.